Oh my gosh, I found you! Press the power button. Yeah, the GoPro boost. You guys ripping the FPV, yeah? Nice. Gearing up. Lose some weight. I chose the rafting crew because you know, it's more of a team effort. You know, I did kayaking a few years ago and that was kind of scary, to be honest. So we're gonna be rafting today. We got our boss man right here. Yeah.
Hopefully he survives.
Take it easy, team
We're in the
sports.
raft, so we're gonna actually have fun.
Yeah, we're gonna have
fun. They gotta fight for their life.
Yeah,
I wanna have
seriously.
fun.
3, 2, 1. Hop in, team. Okay. That's the one. Backward. Backward. Woo. Oh yeah! Whoa! All right, oars up right here, guys.
Go ahead, hop on out,
Okay.
nice and easy on the left-hand side.
Thank you, Dan. Because I don't want to do much. Yeah.
I got to take your stuff.
Thanks for keeping us safe.
Definitely, yeah.
Thank you.
You have fun?
Yeah, it was so fun, right? Even with the mud. That's a wrap with the kayaking. Woo! Hey, big boy. Yeah. That's cool. That's cool.
He's actually only halfway through his round.
Alright, they said straight to the grill. I'll grab one, thank you. Yeah, go for it. I'll have some of that American coleslaw. A slice of pickle, get a little bit of ketchup. Finally got some lunch after a whole morning of filming in the blazing Colorado heat. Chicken burger hits right today.
Fight him. If anyone knows who the yellow battle gate on the down, purple, you got it, Henry. White with a beautiful move across. Will it be white?
A pina colada, I'll try that one. Try some Celsius. Pretty good. My goodness. What a long walk. I walked almost a mile just to get the dog pound. Let's go check out the doggies. I'm here with GoPro. Can I get some of these shots right here? Am I going to obstruct your view?
No,
I'm going to swing this big ass pole right here.
You're good.
All right, thanks, boss.
Good.
Thanks.
Let's go, buddy! Go, go, go! Go, go!
Yeah, you did it! Woo! High five!
Oh my gosh!
Good one, yes!
Well, everything's packed up. Thank you, GoPro and GoPro Mountain Games for inviting me for this epic once in a lifetime event. once again, 10 years later. I brought my son, he enjoyed it, and we will be back soon. So all packed up, ready to head home, and I'll see you on the next one.
Thank you, my man. All right, have a good day. Time to go home.